What going on, all this was. Today video is going to be on dancehall artist Dangel, and it is her, and this is supposed to be like a new character of her by the name of Pamela Houston. I don't know if it's going to be something permanent on her Instagram, but you can do check out her Instagram for the full video. She's supposed to be a news reporter, and this is Dangel, or should I say Pamela Houston, take on the BEENIE Man versus Bounty Killer versus battle that took place over the weekend on May the 23rd. So on to hear what Dangel has to say about both legends.
The food and I start going to eat you on it. Like a man a pig. Like one, yeah, fish. You fish, then you fish. How dare you?
Pamela, is that in the script?
Discrimination. In entertainment news, BEENIE Man and Bounty Killer versus online battle. I'm walking the back of I know something at today. I know something at in the
Pamela, where the hell you get pot cover from?
It's in the script. Oh, don't watch the clash, people. What struck me?
If you go off script one more time, I am going to
me
fire
really
you.
New, sir. Fire me now, because I don't really care right now. People, them do it for the culture, them go hard. From a bar, I never see so much blue ticket yet. Every time I read the news, I'm going to obstruct me. They tell them to leave now in Jesus' name. People, I never see so much blue tick from the barn. Everybody lucky, all the children from England, I'm not like, I'm about to kill out on the do it for the culture. I'm proud of them. I'm not like Jamaica proud of them. People, so they drop the angel and they mix. I'm going to tell them about it still. When I time I think the Sierra watch, you know, Sierra, I have a fan page or a fear page. She all comment when I time I say bap. Yeah, me Sierra, blah, like agent bap for your girl. Good enough from girl, good up if you tell about it. Our stylish and Triple X did a talk about it.
I feel like Angel had done last night. You know what you think?
What done?
Angel.
You know
BEENIE going to the clash.
You know me tell myself so I never get dry and I mix up your car about 5 somebody from this must start one.
Me no care, that's why I'm glad that you me a talk to me say. Me say Angel, anyway, Angel the big arrow. What you say?
Where you say? Where you say? I saw when girl take man with substance.
Take man with
man of class.
A good old girl do them something there, you know.
Man of reputation.
Like seriously, where's all police go for like all people them something and them talk about say the angel call police, but a wicked set up pay for them. But those of them a girl, them a girl have a girl for Spanish Town, them a girl are not informer, children never do something like that. It's because the policeman never want to be that guy. I sure don't want to be that girl. Why is that them news? Can you say oh you say I fire me? We still live?
Yes, we're still live.